What's up, traders? Taking 3 trades today. They were all green, but 2 were basically break even. Let's get to it. All right, traders, real quick before the live trades. Friday night live stream tonight, 9 o'clock Eastern. Going to be doing the ISW giveaway as always, so make sure you're there. It's going to be a lot of fun as always, and if I don't see you, have a great weekend. And with that said, here's the live trades. So we might have missed GME here. See what it does. Kind of shot down on us too quick. Didn't really give us the jiggle that we're used to. It just kind of went up to 17, 14 there and just shot right back down to 17. Watching it. See what it does here at high of day. There it goes. It's high of day. It's not popping through. We're going to get short. 1708 was our fill. Look for this to come back down through 17. Oops, hit the wrong one. There we go. There we go. Just trying. Definitely a weird kind of jiggle. Decent little spread on this jiggle. Especially for the range that the stock has. Oh, nice move. Oh, we're on the bid. Oh, it went through us. I didn't see 80, 82 or 83 print though. I'm gonna give it a sec. Just trying. Not looking. There we go. Okay. I wasn't gonna let that go against us, but we'll take it. Starting to jiggle. Oh, going higher. Just a jiggle right here. You can see it. See how it kind of runs into a wall? Starts to hit. People start hitting the bid. We're going to get short here. Got 51. Back down through 50. We're going to get a nice little push down. Nice. See the asset come down with it. There we go. I was debating on adding because we actually are pretty small share size. Wanted to give this room up to that 8750 area that we saw off the daily. It's giving us a second chance here. Kind of pop back up. This definitely still has plenty of room. We're going to add there. Brings our average to 86.31.5. Put the stop in at high of day. And now puts our take profit a little bit at a much more reasonable area. There we go. Coming down. We can get down to 85.50. I got a feeling we might get the flush right to our fill. Keeps getting bought up through 86. It's kind of bouncing right here, which isn't a good sign. Don't really want to let this go back to high a day. It's right back to our average. Give this one last shot here. We're risking high of day. We're going to let it try to come back down again, though. There it goes. It's getting shoved back down to 86. See if we can get back below it. Now we got to break that 86.80 area. Or 85.80, sorry. Yeah, we don't want to break 86.80. Nope, not yet. We're not getting that selling pressure. Not getting it at all. Not really going to let this thing go back against us. It got bought up twice there, trying to go through 86. The odds are, I'm going to sit here and watch it for a second. Could be wrong. Could just be some people covering from shorting at the top, but it got bought up twice there, trying to dip down through 86, and then it held 86 that second time. So to me, the odds are this thing's going to move back up. There it goes. If it gets through 50, we'll feel like we made the right move here. Just watching it for a second. Just kind of verifying that we're reading the price action right. There it goes. Up to 50. See if it actually pushes through. Yep, it's headed back up towards high of day. Okay. So at least our read right there on the price action was right. So I can't be too upset about it. No matter what it does now, if it goes high of day or gets slammed down, I still feel like we at least read that bounce right. So there's a plus to it there. All right, traders, that was 2 of my trades. Actually, let's bring up the 3rd trade. It was actually a misclick that ended up kind of working out. We actually brought the chart up for CPE. We realized that it was a bit of a grinder based off of where the 9 was. And we did like the extension. I actually loaded shares into the montage, and I just happened to be sitting here like with my mouse, and usually you'll see that my montage turns green if I click it, and the chart turns green if you click it. And I just do that a lot. I don't know why. I just click a lot. And I just accidentally, I had loaded the shares, and this is why I typically, every time I change tickers, like if I go back to GME, you'll see that nothing in the shares change. So the reason I do that is because I click a lot, and I used to misclick a lot, and I would get into positions. So my way of eliminating that was to make it so that I can't do that. But this time I accidentally had loaded shares and just randomly clicking back and forth. I didn't realize that my clicker was where it was, my mouse button, and I hit short ask, and it filled us right away. So we happened to be in the trade. It went against us at 1350. I was kind of evaluating it while we were in it, and I was like, I really don't like this trade. It feels like a grinder. I should probably just get out. And I was like, well, let's see what it does at 1350. And I was actually going to look to add 1 time to that. And I in my head, I'm like, okay, it's going to go through 1350. It's going to try to come back down through. We're going to add, and then we're going to end up stopping out at high of day when it goes back through. Like, that was the thought process going through my head. But instead, it actually rejected 1350 altogether, came back down, gave us a nice little push. I was trying to get more out of it. I wanted to see if we could get that move back down towards the previous resistance since we were in it, and maybe we could just make some profit out of the mistake. But you could really feel that it started to hold right here above 13. Got 13.14 and then 13.10, and just started to get bought back up, and we took it to 13.19. So we weren't really looking to let this go back against us after it was a mistake. So the fact that it gave us a chance to get out, I'll be plenty happy with it. So that's all I have for you today. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate the support. If I see you tonight, I see you tonight. Friday night live stream, 9 o'clock. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Find me in the Discord. Find me on Twitter. And I'll see you guys either tonight or Monday morning. Peace.